Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an invoice on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the More section next to the Websites button and search the invoice option next to the tag. Here you have more changes. If you want to add pictures and other files to your invoice, just go to the uploads section, and here you can upload files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images and videos from your device. In the element section you can search different graphic elements, for example shapes, stickers and more. If you want to add text to your project, go to the text button and click to the add the text box option. And if you want to draft, go to the draft button and draft to the canvas. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by a professional graphic designer. Now you can edit this invoice. If you want to change the background color, click to the white square icon next to the design section and select another color. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that. You can move and you can edit the size. If you want to change the text, click to the text box, delete the text and write. If you want to change the style of your text, click to the arrow next to the hold font type name, and here you can select another text style and font type. If you want to change the size of your text, click to the minus or the plus icon. In the effects section, you can add different effects to your text, for example shadows and shapes format. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.